Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. The next step is to look for the AWS CLI package. This will provide you valuable information about the package in the tool. Then you can install it by simply running the next command. Then all that remains is to check the installed version with the following command. You should get the following output. The second way to install it is to do it using an official installation script provided by Amazon. To achieve this, just run the script with the following command. Then unzip it using the next command. Thereafter, you just need to install it. You can do this by running the following command. Now, check the installation version. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in the comments.